Wakhalon Manaba Apunban Short Wama observed the 34th Manipuri Language Day at Loktak Hall of Manipur Press Club to mark the inclusion of Manipuri language in the 8 schedules of the Indian Constitution. At the function, Bosam Chairman Akam Joykumar, Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple Board member, Secretary Shivadatta Luwang, Harikon President Yongkhaibam Surjit Kumar Kuman, and all Manipur recognized Private School Welfare Association Manipur President Laistram Ajoy Kuman attended as key dignitaries. Speaking on the occasion, Wama President Moirangthem Naukamba Meitei remarked the inability of the state government and concerned departments regarding inclusion of Manipuri language under classical language, despite repeated proclamation of Manipur Rajya Sabha MP Leisem Basana Jauba on the floor of the parliament. He said it is unfortunate that while other state languages have been included, Manipuri have been left out due to ineptitude by concerned departments.
State classical language lenga asigi tambi lenga tigi agriculture department na thabuk kabada sothagi ba amadi uning chengbo waroba amadi mien sana thawa yoga fideni habase miyam khani badana wamana hajari madidi asigu borlor se dipasu singa sandana tana tungi miron singa sigi miron na adi habalai ba mahiro singna kagi classical language san bugi machina sanata maliam da sagi imalon asigu asakta ta so pida phangol loina makoi tungi poram ama yakpada Mayro singta kung sabak mayam pagkabudo mo dugi dumugta muruay na kanjarga sumo wamana pagi sumo thorum se pagi Imphal sibo sigin sa kibi kumbari sibo thorum pangfuk se muruay na loras sibo pagi awang mathakta tanggal classical language san badi matik sabado andum ji miyeng pagi maru ba dije thorum si pangfuk se.
On the other hand, while Kati Chief Editor Hemant Ningombam stated that WAMA is an organization rooted in culture. He said that the degeneration in a society, community division, lack of unity in decision-making are all a result of loss of culture. Further, culture is not about managing a woman's attire, but more so in the essence of unity and like-mindedness among the people.
Bengali baik sahi hum tengah mani tukar, kupong orang ni mana, leru tu bapor mani, lain tu pong orang mani, gamena recognize toro tu bapor mani, masih gamena lalu bubar itu mana ikan ni, walau si hai setengah, ni ada kata, aku ni masih jamba, biar macam tak pun, baru bila, nah aku macam sudi Bengali baik bawa tok tu, aku bapau sudi Manipur lerer tu masih satu ni numai tu, dah satu ni tahu itu sokongan. Adura, kamai tora aku di, macam mereka sepok apa pun payah ada kisah ya, macam sepeda kali, ada kali siapa yang kita tahu, macam masuk di Manipur, macam tadi aku na macam mereka pun masih kisah, kan cawe dah, kan kanur dah, pun manusia mana tu pun yang tu juga, pausi torman tu mesti dia, ada yang orang sebelumnya bingai torman dah, aku pausi macam bingai torman dah, hanya tiba yang ada tiba macam apa pun tahu sih ceko, mereka harus di front page lokta, mereka ini pausi biar mana ko, aduh kita dengai tahu sih, artinya ceko, pausi sih sendiri, pagi hari hari report mana ko,